Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video track, we're gonna model a specific and interesting geometry. At first, we're gonna sketch an arc, and I have prepared these points to save the time, and also I have added an integer slider. And then for the middle point, I add a code block to specify the position. I divide the same value into two. Check this out. And then after that, for the middle point, I'm gonna specify or give a value for Z direction or axis. Watch this. So we can control its height parametrically. Well done. Let's go. I search for arc by first, second, and third point. I give the points by this way. Well done. Here we got the arc. Then I'm gonna place some circles on the arc. I should create some planes at first. I'd search for plane at parameter. I give the arc to the curve, and then for the parameter from 1 to 0, and then 5 as number, since I want to create 5 planes, as you can see by this way. And then on each of these planes, I'm gonna place a circle. Check this out. Circle dot by plane radius. I give the planes, then I should specify the radius of the circles. Here I can set variable values for the radius of the circles. For instance, from 1 to for instance 4, and then 5 as number. And even we can give the values randomly by using shuffle to shuffle a list, randomizing the order of the items. So at first I give the values to shuffle, and then I randomize the values of the radius. Well done. Then I search for curve.pointed parameter for the circles. I give the circles to the curve. And after that, since here we got a closed curve, we should use this formula actually, from 0 to 1 minus 1 and divide it into n. I put this formula inside the parentheses, and then I add sharp n. This is a proper formula for placing points on curves, actually closed curves. I specify the value of the n, for instance 10 or 15 in the integer slider, and then I give the value to n. So the points will be created on the circle, and you know that I should set the lacing to cross product by this way. Then here we got a set of points that we need to transpose them. I search for list of transpose. I give the list of the points, and then by NURBS to get a NURBS representation of the surface within a specified tolerance. Check this out. I connect the points to each other. Well done. After that, here in the integer, if I modify the position of the point, even we can control the number of the points, or n, like this. Here in NURBS curve, we got some NURBS curve in the list, as you can see, 20 items. And it's interesting to know that if we make a copy from list.shuffle, and then we give it to the radius, then the size of the radius or the value of them will be changed. Then if you want to convert these to some surfaces, we just need to search for chop. You need to chop the NURBS. I add it. I give the list of the NURBS curve, and then I add a code block. I give the value to length. Then we will have some lists in which we got the NURBS curves 2 by 2. Then I'm gonna lofting these cross sections to create curves, surfaces. Check this out by this way. Let's check it out in the background by this way. And right now, if I increase the value of the numbers, or the count of a number, 30 or 50, check this out by this way. Then if I hide their preview to show you the NURBS, watch this. I zoom in to check it out. By this order, we can create such a form. So if you're interested in learning to create different kinds of models in Dynamo, you can register my professional Dynamo course. You can find a link in the caption.